Hello, fellow travelers!
Hello.
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour. Today, we are going to share with you a rather challenging hike we did.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, that was not exactly a hike for, beginning level hikers.
No. This was a little more advanced. I guess it would be called intermediate. The heavier end of intermediate.
Yeah, probably heavier end indeed of intermediate. Yeah. Now, this is a hike we did in Capitol Reef National Park in the state of Utah. And we're going to show you what we experienced after this. So Kimberly, any thoughts on Capitol Reef National Park?
It was a great experience. I'm very glad we did it.
Mm-hmm.
Got to see some beautiful sights, some very interesting things. A little bit of wildlife too.
And you do want to hike all the way up to the Hickman Bridge. I'm telling you, it is a bit of a hike. It's a challenging hike, but it is totally worth it. The scenery is gorgeous and you can take some amazing pictures or videos there.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this travel vlog about Capitol Reef National Park, please be sure
to give it a thumbs up. It's absolutely free. It helps the channel out a lot. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe. That way, you know what? That way you'll know when we have new content coming out too, if you tick the bell on.
Yep, you'll be among the first ones to be notified in that case.
Yeah.
Until next time, this is Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.